This is the first in a series of videos explaining about Bitsgap Trading Platform. I'm going to assume that some of the people watching this video do not know much about trading or about grid bots or trading bots in general, and so therefore I'm going step by step explaining certain things, even certain very basic things. I just want to make clear that I am not a financial advisor and the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only. So now we're looking at Bitsgap Trading Bot after I set it up yesterday. I set up a grid bot with Ethereum and BTC, and it's been running for 19 hours so far. So let's have a look at what's been going on. So on the graph here, these red and green lines, whatever height they're at, that represents the value of Ethereum against Bitcoin. Right? On the right hand side we see different numbers. We see at the moment the value of Ethereum is 0.071, about 712 Bitcoin. Now let's just squash the lines together a bit, and we can see that when we set up the grid bot, it set up 16 grid lines, and half of them were buy orders, those are the green lines, and half are sell orders, and those are the red lines. Now we can see these orders in a different place in Bitsgap. If I go to trading, here, this is another part of the Bitsgap Trading Platform. The Bitsgap Trading Platform does not just allow me to set up grid bots, it allows me to do other things, including regular trading. Now if I go to the section of trading, so I go to Ethereum BTC, and if I want I could do my own trading. I could put buy orders, sell orders, but that's not the reason why I'm going here. The reason why I'm going here is I want to see the orders that were made when the grid bot was set up. As I mentioned, the green lines represent buy orders and the red lines represent sell orders. So let's see where we can see that in another place. If I go to trading, so if you see at the bottom it's got open orders. And let's scroll down a bit, and it says over here it's a bot, and I click on the plus sign, and I see over here a whole series of sell orders and buy orders. And I can see in the graph over here that all these green lines, they represent a buy order. Here to buy 0.04 Ethereum when the value of Bitcoin goes down to when the value of Ethereum goes down to 0.068, and another 0.004 when the value goes down to 0.066, and then when it goes down to 0.063 to buy more. So you see, as the value of Ethereum goes down and down and down, so these orders will be fulfilled, and I'll be buying more and more Ethereum. Similarly, when the value of Ethereum goes up in value, so then I'll be selling Ethereum and getting back Bitcoin, but I'll be getting more Bitcoin because I'm selling it when Ethereum's at a higher price. So here, when it's 0.075 Bitcoin, I'll get back 0.004 Ethereum's worth of Bitcoin, which will come out to be 0.003 Bitcoin, and when the value goes even higher to 0.0787848 Bitcoin, so then I'll sell some more Ethereum. I'll sell another 0.004 Ethereum, and then I'll get even more Bitcoin, 0.0031499, not 3031499. So as you see, as the value of Ethereum, as the value of Ethereum goes up and up, so I can sell Ethereum at higher and higher values, and I'll be getting more and more Bitcoin, and in that way I increase the amount of Bitcoin that I have. Now if we look at orders history, so we see over here that 2 of the buy orders have been fulfilled already. Right, so there's one buy order which says is a market value. That is when we first set up the grid bot. So when we pressed on start, it told us that in order to start this grid bot, you need to buy a certain amount of Ethereum, and we agreed to that. And so the grid bot, it bought 0.026 Ethereum in order to make the sell orders of Ethereum when the value of Ethereum will go up. Right, so this shows that we bought some Ethereum, and over here it shows that after we started the grid bot, so first of all the value of Ethereum started to go down, and so the grid bot bought some more Ethereum. Now if we go to back to bots and look at the chart, so we can see on the chart there's a red circle that represents that some Ethereum was bought. And if we look down over here, it's showing that the profit so far of the bot is 0.01%, that we're making a loss. Well, it's not an actual loss, but it represents that to begin with we bought some more Ethereum. When the value of Ethereum will go up later on, so then this Ethereum that we bought at a lower price, we'll be able to sell it later on at a higher price and make a profit, and the end result is that we'll have more Bitcoin. So you don't have to worry if, to begin with, when you start running a grid bot, to begin with, you might see negative numbers over here. We don't need to worry about that. And over here, it says that the overall change is minus 0.64%. So this takes into account not only the fact that we sold some Bitcoin, but also by the fact that the value of Ethereum against Bitcoin has gone down since we started the grid bot. Now hopefully it will go up, and we can see here it will start to go up, and then when it reaches this grid line up here, so then it will sell some Ethereum and we make a profit. Okay, now the reason why the grid lines are so far apart and that there's only 16 grid lines is because in this example we set up the grid bot very much with default settings, and we didn't try to adjust it in order to maximize our profits. We were looking for an easy way to set up the grid bot with default settings. If you're interested to use the Bitsgap Trading Platform in order to create your own grid bots, so if you click my Bitsgap affiliate link that's below this video, then you'll be allowed to use the Bitsgap Trading Platform for free for 14 days with the Pro version. Okay, so we can see that this grid bot is running. We see that one of the orders has already been fulfilled by that green circle. We saw the orders in the trading section of Bitsgap Trading Platform. And we saw at the bottom here the list of all the trades. Now, if I go to my Binance account, which is connected to the grid bot, so over here, if I go to trading over here, say on the line of Ethereum, I click on trade and I choose Ethereum against BTC. So if I go to my Binance account, I can see over here there's a whole list of trades over here, a whole list of buy and sell trades. And if I look at the trade history, I see those two buys, the one when the grid bot was set up of 0.026 Ethereum, and one when the value of Ethereum went down a bit. So I can see the actual trades here in my binary account. In other words, the Bitsgap platform, this isn't where my money is. I don't give my money over to any company. My money stays in my account in Binance. Just that when we set up Bitsgap, we set up an exchange, we set up my Binance account, we connected my Binance account to the Bitsgap platform in order to give the Bitsgap platform permission to read the trades that I've got and to make new trades. Right? To make new trades and to close the trades. So all the trades, really, the trades are actually in Binance. And what we just see in the platform is, even in the trading section, it's showing us what trades we've got in Binance, right? But really, my money's in Binance, and the trading is being done in Binance, right? So this is a little introduction to explain a little bit about the Bitsgap trading platform in order to understand what is going on. And we see over here something very reassuring, that our money is not with Bitsgap, our money is still in our Binance account, and there's complete transparency on the way the trading bot is working. I can see the orders in Bitsgap Trading Platform, and I can also see those orders in my Binance account. And if you found this video useful, please click on like and click on subscribe, and I'll produce more videos in the future explaining more and more aspects of the Bitsgap Trading Platform. And this information, hopefully it will help you in order to set up the grid bots better in order to make higher profits.